This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, May 26, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a system digging in across the southern plain states. That'll be bringing some more showers and thunderstorms around here, and possibly maybe some severe weather down in Texas once again, and maybe into southern Oklahoma. The rain showers will be scattered around. We could see some sunshine, but more clouds than sun. Highs today, mainly in the lower and middle 80s across the state, and that's going to be the norm for another couple of days. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms. A little bit more sun here on Tuesday, but still, chances of precipitation about 30 to 50% at that. Highs still in the lower to middle 80s. It'd be quite humid, too, with the rain around. Wednesday looks to be about the same as Monday and Tuesday. Highs in the lower to middle 80s, maybe a few upper 70s in our northeastern counties with some scattered showers and storms. Thursday looks to be a bit drier. We could see some early morning rain in our eastern and southeastern counties, followed by some partly to mostly sunny skies late in the day with highs still in the upper 70s to lower to middle 80s. Friday looks to be a repeat of Thursday. Some partly to mostly sunny skies with highs mainly in the upper 70s to lower to middle 80s, with any precipitation down in Missouri and southward. It then begins to creep back northward here as we head into the weekend. Once again, it figures we go into a weekend and it begins to get crappy again. Showers and storms would be better over the south and western counties. And then on Sunday, it looks like the entire state could get on some activity. This looks a little more organized, as this is with the frontal system, but the low pressure center is way up in the northern part of Quebec, east of Hudson Bay. And a week from today, next Monday, we have a system coming into the northern Rockies and High Plains, an upper level feature off the Carolina coast, or at least between about the Carolinas and Bermuda. And with that, we have a system with a stalled frontal system nearby. And stalled frontal systems in the summer are just conduits for showers and thunderstorms, and some mesoscale convective systems at night. Going into the extended period on June the 6th, we have a ridge beginning to pump up over the prairie provinces of Canada into the northern high plains. A little bit of a upper level system moving across Minnesota and Wisconsin could be dragging a cold front out of the state at that point, and the GFS has its typical tropical system off the Florida coast. We'll have to see if that occurs. And at the end of the forecast on June 10th, now we have a 588 ridge over Texas and Oklahoma centered around near Vernon or Childress, Texas. Upper level feature in the Carolinas and another off of Northern California. And with that, we have maybe the possibility of the Ring of Fire. You can see a low pressure center over Oklahoma and Texas. That's actually a heat low more than likely, with possibility we could see the Ring of Fire around that heat dome. Satellite image from last evening, we had some disorganized showers and storms over the high plains moving into the state at that point. A couple of showers and storms over Georgia into the Carolinas, and elsewhere it was fairly calm and quiet at this point. The Watch Warning map from last evening, it doesn't look very quiet across the big hill country of Texas. Some flash flood watches, a few flash flood warnings, a couple of flash flood watches in Wyoming and into Montana. The rest of the nation was fairly quiet. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days, this goes through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. You can see maybe about an inch of rain. Some areas may get more, other areas may get less. Texas could get up to 5 inches.